Welcome. In this video, we will write a C++ program to find and fix diamond problem. This is tool div C++ where I have to write our C++ program, and first of all I have to include header file with sharp include, and header file is iostream, and then our statement using name space std. Then I will declare class, and class name should be A, and this is our class and name is A. And now I have started our class. Okay, and now I will define this class as a public, and this is public keyword for defining class as a public. And now I will define here a function, and function return type is void. It's mean that function does not return any value, and so I will choose function name function A. Okay, and it's parenthesis of this function, and now I am in body of function. Here I will use cout for display, and I will type here this is function A. Okay, this is function, sorry, class A. This is class A. Okay, and here I will use and L, and now I will create a other class, and I will declare a class, and this class is class B. Okay, and I can copy and paste, and then I will modify that class. I am copying it, and after I will paste it, and now I have to modify this class name, and this is class B, and function name is function B. Okay, sorry, this is function B, and now this is class B. So this is class B, and now I will paste it again, and I will paste here, and now I have also updated, and this is class C. Okay, and now this is function C, and now this is class C. Okay, these are our three classes, and now we will inherit class B from class A. What is process for this purpose? And this is class B, and then we have used semicolon, sorry, colon, and now I will define public, and now class name. This is class name A. Now class B is inheriting from class A, and in the same way class C will be inherited from class A. So I will define here also public A. Okay, now we inherited class B and class C from class A. Okay, now next I will define here, or I have to start here our main function, and main, this is our main function, and now in the body of main function, I will declare a object for classes. And what should be name object for class A? I will choose A. This is class name is capital A, and object is small a. Okay, you can use any name instead of small a. And next I will create object for class B, and this is object B, small b. And also I have to create object for class C, and this is object C. Okay, and now I will call functions here in main function. Then what is process? Sorry, A dot, and here we have option. This is our function A. I will select this function. Okay, and I will also display here cout using cout class A. Okay, class A. It's mean that this output is from class A, and here I will use and L. Okay, and after calling function, I will also use A and L. Okay, for a line gap, and then next I will use this again cout class, sorry, in double commas because it's a string. This is our class B, and this is our class A. Okay, this is our class A, and now I will use here and L, and then I will call here function of class B. Here I will use object B for accessing function. Now you can see that here we have two options. One is function A and other is function B. This function that is inheriting from class A, and this is function of class B. Okay, I will select class A, function of class A, and I will use here semicolon, and then I will use function of class B. Okay, this is function of class A which inherited from A in class B, and this is function of class B. Okay, then I will use handle cout, handle for line break, and now next I will copy and paste this process with control plus C, and now I will paste here C out class B. I will update it, and this is our class C. It's mean that this is output of class C, and this is output of class B, and this is output of class A. Okay, it will be easy to understand for you. And now I will display, I will save it. Okay, with control plus S, and I can choose name problem. Okay, you can use any name, but I am typing here problem name. Okay, I have saved it, and now I will press F11 for compile and run. Now you can see output. This is class A. Okay, this is class A, and this is class B. Now you can see that in class only single output is displaying, and on the other hand, in class B, here we can see that first is a function of class A and other is function of class B. This first function is inheriting from class A in class B. In the same way, in this class C, this is class A. This is function that we have inherited from class A, and this is function of class B. Okay, this was inheritance, and now we will discuss our diamond problem. For this purpose, we have to create another class, and class name should be D. Okay, you can use any name instead of class D. You can use Z, X, Y, Z, and any other name. And now I will define here public. Sorry, public. This is public, and now I will use here function. I will define function with void return type. It's mean this function does not return any value, and function name should be function D and parenthesis, and then body of this function. Here I will use cout, and this is class D. Okay, and L. Now I will inherit classes A, B, and C. Okay, so here I will define public A. I will separate it with comma, and other classes public B, and I will also use a comma once again, and now public C. This is our class A, this is our class B, and this is our class C. Okay, and D is inherited from class A, class B, and class C. Okay, now I have to create an object for class D. This is class D, and this is object of class D. So I will use here this object, and now I will use again cout, and here I will type class D. Okay, this is our class D, and L. So I will use here D dot. Here you can see options function A from class A. So next D dot function B from class B, and next D dot function C from class C, and in the same way D dot function D and function D from class D. Now I will compile and run with F11. Now you can see we have error. What is error? Request for member function A is ambiguous. Okay, it's mean that compiler is not able to understand that this function, what is source of this function, which class is source of this function. Okay, I can explain further from this graphical representation. This is class A, this is class B, this is class C, and this is class D. This is class D. You have to understand it as a class D, not class C. Now you can see that class B is inheriting from class A, and class C is also inheriting from class A. And on the other hand, class D is inheriting from class C, class B, and class A. Now compiler is confused that which class is source of function A in class D. This is confusion, so we have this error. What is solution of this error? We will define here a virtual void in all inheritance process here, where we have inherited class A. There we have to use virtual void. Okay, virtual. I will copy it. So copy, and now I have to paste it on all places where we have to inherited class A. Okay, virtual and also virtual in class D. Now I will compile and run again with F11. This is our output. Okay, this is class A, this is class B, this is class C, and this is class D. Okay, a class D is inheriting from class A, class B, class C, and class D. Now compiler is clear that what is source of this function. Okay, I will explain again. Now compiler is clear that class A is source class of this function, class function A. Therefore, we have no any error. I hope this information is very useful for you, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel.